Samsung already teased the Galaxy S24 with an invitation that says, Galaxy I is coming ahead of the launch on January 17th. The S24 Ultra is packed with all sorts of new features, and today I'm going to tell 6 more exciting AI features. These features are the part of One UI 6.1, the software that will come right out of the box with the Galaxy S24 series, and thankfully a lot of these features will make their way down to the Galaxy S23 series too. So let's start by discussing some of the features. Firstly, we have the Circle Search feature. It allows you to select any text or image on your screen. Then the AI will perform a search and provide you with all the information. If you need more information about something on your screen like an image or webpage, simply hold the home button. This feature is incredibly convenient. Next on the list is the ability to summarize and translate your voice recordings. You can easily convert voice recordings of meetings or lectures into voice memos or text format. Then ask AI to summarize them for reference. This tool is particularly helpful for students or anyone attending meetings, as it allows you to record lectures and then obtain summarized versions with the help of artificial intelligence. Moving on, we have a photo editor that now fully utilizes AI technology. With this editor, you can freely position subjects wherever you desire. It works seamlessly with objects, people, or virtually anything that you choose to select and move around according to your preferences. The next upcoming feature is called Browsing Assist in the Samsung Internet Browser. Once you open it, you will find 5 options. The first one is the Summarize option, which lets you get a summary of any web page using AI. It's a time saver as you don't have to read the article. Additionally, there is a highlight button that will highlight the parts of an article for you along with an option to have the article read aloud and accurately translate any web page. Moving on to translation, we have a feature called Translate Conversation. With this feature, you can easily translate conversations into text, even listen to them being spoken out loud. Just toggle the interpreter button in the toggle area. Enjoy seamless translation. Lastly, Samsung has incorporated AI into their wallpaper customization feature. This allows you to add effects subjects for backgrounds and customize your wallpapers even more than before. So these are the latest 6A features that are included in the 6.1 update. I must say, Galaxy I has introduced some incredible features, and it's a significant upgrade. Special thanks to Bennett on Twitter for sharing this information. As we already know that Samsung has provided a glimpse of the upcoming Galaxy S24 through an invitation that declares, Galaxy I is coming ahead of the scheduled launch on January 17th. To further build anticipation, the company has initiated teasers showcasing the new mobile AI-powered capabilities of the Galaxy on Sphere's expansive exterior LED display, featuring Doctor Strange and illuminating the Las Vegas skyline. In collaboration with Marvel Studios' What If?, Samsung has orchestrated a captivating takeover of the Sphere in Las Vegas. The teaser unfolds as Doctor Strange explores new portals of endless possibilities, concluding with the message epic discoveries await, and a new era is coming with Galaxy, accompanied by an image of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung emphasizes that Galaxy I will revolutionize the discovery experience. The company highlights the Sphere's distinction as having one of the world's highest resolution wraparound LED screens, capable of dynamically showcasing imagery on a colossal scale. The dome-shaped performance venue was the first to exhibit the Galaxy series' new features and a behind-the-scenes. Now for those excited, we're going to run through the full specs design and the price for each model in this 24 series to help you guys decide which one is right for you. Now for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this, so just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe button for future updates too. Now we'll get right into it. The standard Galaxy S24 is coming with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get a resolution of 2340 by 1080, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panels protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto, and of course it's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Canada and USA. While rest of the countries worldwide are going to be getting the Exynos 2400. We get 8 gigs of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 gigs storage, and this is going to be a UFS 4.0. It comes with a 4,000 mAh battery and while having a 25 watts fast charging. We do know that we're getting 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $850 to $900, and that's going to be in February 2024. Now next up, we've got the Galaxy S24 Plus with a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel, and again protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear again, it's a 50 megapixels primary, a 12 megapixels ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Canada and USA, while rest of the countries worldwide are going to be getting the Exynos 2400, and again we get 12 gigs of RAM, then the choice of 256 or 512 gigs storage, which will be UFS 4.0. It comes with a 4,900 mAh battery while having 45 watts fast charging, and again we get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $1,050. Now finally, we've got the most premium, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With this 24 Ultra, we got a 6.8 in 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It's got a resolution of 3088 by 1440, and again, it's using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 200 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra wide. We get a 50 megapixels 5 times, as well as a 10 megapixels 3 times telephoto zoom. Despite previous rumors, it's going to be powered up by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all regions, and it's only this 24 and this 24 Plus that is still going to be using the Exynos. And with this 24 Ultra, we get up to 12 gigs of RAM with the choice of 256, 512, and 1 terabyte of storage. And this is of course UFS 4.0. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, and while having 45 watts fast charging, and we're also going to get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a fresh design with more strength and much brighter display, on top of upgraded hardware and lots of new AI features. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all models of the Ultra feels like a good move from Samsung, and with upgrades across the whole lineup, it should see plenty of success. Now, because of the similarities to the predecessor, though it's probably not going to make anyone with an S23 Ultra rush for an upgrade, but for anyone with an older S phone or looking to get their first S phone, then it's going to be a great choice. Now, of course, being so close to launch, more and more details are going to continue to come in, and I'm going to be sharing them as soon as they do. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, how do you like these new exciting features of the upcoming S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.